heard a statement that I believe is true, and I use it quite often with my students in church. If you're doing your marriage like most people, you're not doing it God's way. Do it differently. I've been married 23 years, and it's been the most incredible time of my life. Always looking for ways to make it better. Do not let this day be the final goal of your relationship, but the beginning of how you are planning to make it even better. If something seems broke, seek help to fix it. Even the geese agree. So by the authority given to me by our Lord, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Connor, you may kiss your bride.